How to activate RBC Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to activate your RBC credit card online. So please watch the video until the very end and remember to subscribe to our channel. So if you haven't already, click the notification bell icon so you never miss any of our future uploads. Activating your RBC Bank credit card is straightforward. Begin by opening any web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and you can choose any browser you prefer. Enter Activate RBC credit card in the search bar at the top and hit enter. Then you will come across various results. From here, click on the initial one that says let's activate your credit card. Click on it and it will take you to the login portal where it's indicating the card activation process. To get started, you have to enter the 16-digit credit card number and you will find it in the front of your card. Now in this box, simply enter the credit card number that is of 16-digit and simply click on Start Activation that is highlighted in blue color in order to start the activation process. After you do that, follow the on-screen instructions and you will be able to successfully activate your RBC Bank credit card online. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.